Now, when did y'all plant these? You said that they're a little bit older. Probably
I'm not sure.
First, second of May, maybe?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Bobby, he knows dates back. He don't have to keep a calendar. It's in his head.
So these are the 2 rows of the melons then, and then like you said, the squash is over that way?
Three rows of melons, and then those over there are cantaloupes.
Cantaloupes, okay. Gotcha.
And then our onions are right down there, that big stuff. That's the squash.
Yeah. I can see it's really bushy.
I was out here the other day picking them and sliding all over the place.
I bet you were. I bet you were.
We grow a lot of melons that other people don't have. I'll sit back on a Sunday and I'll think, I wonder how many people are sitting down enjoying the melons, anything that we grow, right now. And it's just a good feeling to know that we can grow things and other people eat them and enjoy them, and we work hard for it.
Yeah, I can tell just by coming out today, y'all really do work really hard. Now, some of the melons people think of just, watermelon and cantaloupe, but y'all have some other nice specialty melons here as well.
We do. We have the seedless watermelons, and we have the cantaloupe. We also have the sensation melon, which is a variety of a cantaloupe. We have a Sprite melon. We have a canary melon. We have the honeydew.
Is there one that you like better over another, like your favorite?
Oh, watermelon, always.
Watermelon.
Always.
Yeah, that seems to be my favorite,
Yes.
especially in the summertime.
Oh, yeah.
So when is harvest season for you guys generally?
For the melons, it'll probably be about the middle of July, the 1st of August.
Middle of July, 1st of August. But y'all really start that process way in advance.
Oh, yeah. We probably started seeding the melons about a month ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
And y'all start from seed.
We
and
do.
Do y'all do that in the greenhouse?
We do,
So y'all start, and then when do y'all plant out in the field?
Well, actually, we just planted some melons last week, but we've had some melons in the ground for a couple of weeks now. So probably about the beginning of May.
How did you get into farming?
Growing up, we've always had a huge garden, before Dad started doing this. And I don't know, I guess I just decided to help Dad and join the family business, and I feel like I'm younger than him, so I try to do the things that he doesn't need to do, but I'm not as fast as he is.
Well, and I'm sure it's nice to work side, like
It
you said,
is.
father and daughter.
Yes, it is.
And you get to spend some time.
I'm very, very blessed to be able to work with my dad, yeah.
And like you said, he's probably taught you some trade.
Oh, yeah, I learn something new every day, every day.
So what does your day typically look like when you're helping your dad on the farm?
Hard work. When it comes to harvest time, we'll get out here and we'll pick the vegetables and the produce, and we'll clean it up, and it takes a long time.
Tell us, why do you farm? Like you said, it's hard work.
It is hard work, but I love it. I'm tired as all get out when I get home. Like I said, we've always done this. Dad's always had a big garden. It's just in our blood, I guess,
How old were you when you started helping your dad?
I'm 35 now, so I was probably 25 when I started helping him, all the time, but we've always done something together.
I know that you guys grow other things besides melons. What other things can you find on Groce Greenhouse and Produce?
We have tomatoes, we have heirloom tomatoes, we have sweet candy onions, and I think that's the absolute best thing that we grow is the sweet candy onions. We have yellow squash and zucchini, lots of different varieties of peppers. We probably have, as far as the tomatoes go, we probably have about 60 different varieties that we grow and sell. We do eggplant, the melons, and then in the fall we do the mums and the pumpkins, and we're working on getting the mums ready now.
Yeah, those mums I know take a lot of time.
They do. We start them about the beginning of June, and they're ready to go to market probably about the middle of July, the 1st of August.
Where can people find Groce Greenhouse and Produce?
I sell at the Bounty of the Barons Farmers Market on the square in Glasgow, and then Dad sells at SOKY Marketplace in Bowling Green under the pavilion. And then we have a Facebook page, Groce Greenhouse and Produce. You can find us on there too.
And you help a lot with that Facebook page.
Yeah, I do.
Typically, when will you have melons available at the market?
Well, we'll have the cantaloupes ready about the beginning of July, and then we'll have the watermelons about the middle of July.
And it's always fast paced at that time.
It is. Oh, yeah, it is.
Always something to do, for
Always,
sure.
always. I'm always afraid a snake's going to come out of one of them trees. I'm deathly afraid of snakes.
I don't think I would like to see a snake either, for sure.
And
Yeah.
since fell out of the trees,
They have before, yeah.
I feel great.